Kong vs Godzilla is a battle between the ages. Big hairy monkey fights screaming nuclear fission reactor. Obviously, Kong wins because he monkey. Although the release trailer positions him as the hero of the story, so it makes a lot of sense people would be rooting for him. As the date for the film's release nears, the internet is seeing a ton of hype surrounding the flick as the ancient debate surrounding who would win in a fight between King Kong and Godzilla rages on. Only, this time it's different. This time King Kong has the support the likes of which he has never seen, simply due to the fact that monkeys and apes are currently enjoying an internet renaissance. There has never been so much love for our primate cousins, and there's a few reasons for that. From Russell Jimmies to Harambe, from Uh-oh Stinky to Monkey Flip, there has always been a fascination with apes in meme culture, and the latest memes surrounding King Kong reflect that. The first King Kong vs Godzilla film was released in 1962 in Japan, with both animals revealing the fears and cultures of different areas of the world. Godzilla represents the dangers of nuclear war and natural disasters that Japan has faced, an ongoing trauma the country still feels the effects of to this day. As a result, every incarnation of Godzilla is man-made, generally due to some form of nuclear activity. And, although what King Kong represents has changed rather a lot over the years, he continues to remain an imposing force of nature. He has been in cinema longer than Godzilla, making his first appearance in 1933 during the Great Depression, which marked a chaotic disaster for America. But the film at that time also showed some pretty racist undertones. Accordingly, the themes surrounding King Kong changed throughout the years until eventually he's become mainly a metaphor for what happens when humanity messes with nature. Most films show humans trying their best to tame or at least destroy King Kong until he inevitably escapes and wreaks havoc. This is where the Battle of the Titans comes in. Humanity's ability to go too far with technology exists in the form of Godzilla, and humanity's ability to exploit nature and the consequences of that in the form of King Kong. Although, given the way King Kong is portrayed in the trailer for Kong vs Godzilla, it would appear as though he was being set up for being the hero of the story, which reflects the trend regarding Kong movies since after the 1933 film. It's extremely interesting that meme culture would continue to hype up those themes after decades and decades of storytelling, and just goes to show how prevalent nature and technology are in all forms of art. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.
And remember, like and subscribe! Or else.